Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will recreate one of my own looks and see if how can I make this makeup look better than how I did it before. I did this makeup look in 2014 and for me it was amazing. Personally, I thought my makeup game was very strong, but comparing it to now, not really. So I'm gonna do that. So at the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more videos of me doing my makeup. I'm gonna start. I already did my brows and I also moisturized. I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna apply everything else and let's see how this turned out to be. I would put the picture somewhere in the video. So going through my makeup collection and I decided to recreate this makeup look. I don't remember what palette I used back then. So I have here this Kat Von D palette right here. As you guys can tell, it's brand new. And I also have the Zulu by Juvia's Place, this palette right here. And I want to use these two palettes so I could create the makeup look so I can take advantage and actually use my stuff. I'm just laughing because my brow, oh my god, my brows were horrendous. And until this day, I'm getting better at doing my brows. I still haven't mastered my brow technique. Every day is different. Every day, I feel like every day is much better. But compared to before, now I'm a pro. Because before my brows were worse and bad, horrible. It was just like I just put brow product in my brow and just forgot to blend it in. Okay, so for my crease, I will use this purple right here. Actually, purple is my favorite color. I would use this as a crease color, transition shade, crease color. I'm just gonna apply on my crease. Let me get one of this. Oh, actually, this palette has a mirror, a very big mirror. Okay, I'm actually gonna apply eyeshadow primer. Ensuring to put my crease. I'm doing it on one side. I'm gonna take a smaller brush. I'm gonna go back to the purple. Well, yeah, I'm gonna go back to the purple and like darken the corner of it. Trying to give instruction here, like like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I just going with the flow. I'm trying to use as much makeup as I can because things expire and I don't use my makeup as often as I should. I keep wearing the same palette and the same thing. So now I also have this Fenty Beauty Galaxy eyeshadow palette and it has a nice shimmer shadow that I want to use. So I'm kind of going to mix both palettes, this one and the Fenty Beauty. Helly, right here, this. I will be back. I'm gonna actually stop the camera recording so I could say some bateria. I'm back. I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, this right here. It looks all full of fingerprint. This one right there. And I'm gonna prime my skin now. I have here the e.l.f. Pudding Primer. For foundation, today we're gonna go and use this Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation by Urban Decay. And the number that I have here is 60 NN. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my hands. I'm gonna use this Beauty Blender by Beauty Blender. For concealer, I have, and you have seen this in my other video, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna conceal under my eye. My nose, the forehead, I'm going to contour my nose. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Concealer blush, Decay Blush sponge. Bake under my eye with the KKW I would say baking powder. Contour palette is like, I guess so amazed by the fact that I have so much stuff, like so much makeup, and when I open the palettes they all look brand new. It's embarrassing, and I know. I'm gonna use the color Prince Cut. I have the Sahara Blush Volume 2 by Juvia's Place. And let me see with this. I think I'm gonna use this brush right here, this color right here. Should I do that? Yeah, it's like a warm color. So now, I really love this thing. Awesome. And for highlight, I will use this Kylie Cosmetic Salted Caramel highlight. Okay, let's see how it goes. And then I have this Kat Von D lipstick in Outline. I like chalk. More of highlight, and this is one of my favorite one. It's the Anastasia Norisi highlight. yeah guys, this is my final look.